guys are just, excuse my language, but you guys are just dogs.
This thing is fact, pa.
If, for instance, if a girl cheats on you, let me tell you, the girl doesn't like you again. She has lost interest. That's the honest truth.
You can't cheat on me.
Why? Why can't they cheat?
Because I don't have plenty boys.
We need to think our future.
I felt sick, but my parents were thinking maybe my normal sickness, maybe my ulcer or something, but it wasn't that. It
was love.
Tell me, me rebel. Apart from broken heart, back up, maybe me call to be sasa.
And I will me do
Okay, guys, so today I find myself at Peculiar Heights around UPSA campus environment here in Medina, Legon, thereabout, and I'm here to interact with students, find out what is the particular reason why they cheat in their relationships. Don't go nowhere. My name is Prudent himself. This is the Free Your Mind show on MX24 TV, and it's about to go down. Hey, hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Sorry to disturb you a bit. I just have one question for you. Okay, so tell me, what do you think is the reason why people cheat in their relationships?
Yikes. Why people cheat? Okay, it depends actually. From the girl's point of view, being a girl, I think mostly if a girl should cheat in a relationship because she's unhappy. Okay. Yeah. But then when it comes to the guys are just, excuse my language, but you guys are just dogs.
This thing is fact, pa.
It's not harsh. No, you guys like everything in your skirts, everything that moves. So
it's not only guys who cheat in relationships. Ladies cheat a lot,
and it's mostly because you're unhappy. No, honestly, listen. As a girl, if my man was giving me everything I want, why would I cheat?
What's that?
I'm thinking
See, I have male friends. They just cheat, just unprovoked. Oh, Charlie, this girl, she did be. Oh, me, I get woman, but this girl, she did be unprovoked.
Okay. We need to think our future. That's the only thing I can talk about now.
Every relationship I thought I was in before, I'm turning 20, so before me turning 20, it wasn't a relationship, it was just, childhood games, right now my childhood.
You sleep.
I don't get honey.
You don't get honey?
No.
Are you a human being? Sorry to say.
Yeah, I don't.
Everybody gets honey. Come on.
Really? You do?
I do get honey.
Problem, the devil is working.
I do get honey.
My friends are in relationships, are in very healthy relationships. They have loving, affectionate boyfriends, and it's so cute. Sometimes I'm I wish that was me, but no.
But you should try, make an effort.
I should try. If you have $1 million in your account, text.
Oh,
invest in mamia.
And on any day,
So I'll be 1 billion.
Okay, guys, so I just spoke to one person. I'm looking forward to talk to more people here. I'll be knocking on doors right now. Let me knock on doors. Let's see. Can I come in? Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Can you come outside? Come on, I don't want to just.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sorry to disturb you. I've got a quick question for you.
All right, sure.
Okay, tell me, what do you think is the reason why people cheat in relationships?
Honestly, okay. I don't think cheating. Personally, I don't think cheating is a way out, in a relationship. If you are having a problem with your partner or something, but then mostly, if someone cheats on you, the person is tired of you. If, for instance, if a girl cheats on you, let me tell you, the girl doesn't like you again. She has lost interest. That's the honest truth.
Are you in a relationship?
Currently.
Yeah.
I don't want to now get
Cheating isn't really a deal breaker for me.
Okay.
But I'll give chances. There's a reason to give first, second, and third chance. They say I mean, if someone makes a fool out of you for the third time, then you are really a fool.
Yeah.
So, like, yeah.
I
feel like if you're in a relationship, the first thing to do is to make God the center.
Hallelujah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Long distance or lack of communication, I guess.
This is fact. This thing is fact.
Let's say if we are together and then like every time you are just like with your friends or you're always out or we don't talk more or something. Obviously the person gets, not me, but the person gets like bored and things, and the person might not have the intention of cheating, but the person is just like talking to like another friend that's like entertaining him or her.
If I from Jimmy Doll some $5.
Oh, you can't cheat on me, oh.
Why? Why can't they cheat?
Because I don't have plenty boys. I
would say their partners are not giving them much attention, so sometimes they feel lonely and they want someone to be around them. So I think that's one reason why.
Have you ever cheated?
No, not.
Have you ever been cheated on?
No.
Are you in a relationship?
Man, they all bomb and the massive sewer this one. Then you open maybe a sound a tronson yet.
The trust issues can come along the way. Due to certain things the person did, certain traits the person showed, or like the type of people they hang around with down the road. So,
what's the reason why you've not been in a relationship?
I've not found anyone.
So when you get home, what do you do then? I'm just asking you.
First, which one in the darling? Media maybe a pump, heavy papa be up.
I think sex is a guy doesn't satisfy the lady.
Okay.
Idea air the pan, any kind. A bit a moon, a war, a two, and shoe, and sack, and put on.
Right, have you ever been cheated on? How long did it take you to heal from that?
It wasn't easy. I felt sick, but my parents were thinking maybe my normal sickness, maybe my ulcer or something, but it wasn't that.
It was love.
Tell me, yeah, me rebel. Debbie, apart from broken heart, back up, maybe me call 2 weeks.
It can be that maybe she has found something in another guy that is not seen in the current guy right now. So.
How? The attention they really get. Sometimes the G they show them money, they more laugh. Then things. You see, right? The women who they like, say, sometimes in boy will do things where some other boy to do. Where you do pass on small, no, the attention will go inside you.
Salmai, come on.
Also, man, and very revealing as well. You guys can join the conversation on social media. Let's continue talking about this one. Use the comment section right beneath this post. Share your opinion about a particular topic and enjoy your weekend. My name is Prudent himself. Follow me on all social media platforms. Enjoy your weekend and bye-bye.